One of the main talking points from the Merseyside derby was that of the heated bust-up between Roberto Firmino and Mason Holgate. The Everton youngster was the talk of the first half in the FA Cup meeting. Before dueling with the Liverpool striker, Holgate conceded a penalty by tackling Adam Lallana, with James Milner successfully converting to hand the hosts the lead. And just before the end of the first half, Holgate and Firmino were involved in a fiery exchange. Holgate pushed the Brazilian into the crowd, who reacted very angrily, immediately chasing after him with the referee stood in between. Firmino hurled some abuse, and he's believed to have said, "Are you mad? You son of a bitch." Or was something more sinister said? Needless to say, what happened between them got everybody talking. Here's some of the reaction from Twitter. What's your take? Let us know in the comment section below.